So after a long gap, we start with our today's lecture, and I hope that you have maintained your chemistry copies properly. You also know how many chapters notes already I have sent to you. Okay, the first chapter, organic chemistry, the organic compounds, alkane, alkene, alkynes, alcohols chapter, carboxylic acid, and then starting the first chapter, periodic table, chemical bonding, and now we are continuing with the notes of the chapter acids, bases and salts. बराबर? So I hope आपको ये सब पता है. And today I am giving the explanation for the important part of the chapter alcohols. Okay. So let us define alcohols first. पहले डिफाइन करेंगे अल्कोहल का डेफिनेशन क्या है. अल्कोहल्स आर हाइड्रोक्सिल डेरिवेटिव्स ऑफ अल्केन्स. अल्कोहल्स क्या है? दे आर हाइड्रोक्सिल डेरिवेटिव ऑफ अल्केन. तो हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप मतलब क्या है? OH. ठीक है. अब ये डेफिनेशन का मीनिंग क्या है? That you have to understand. You take an alkane here. जैसा हमने यहाँ पे लिखा है alkane, हाइड्रोक्सिल डेरिवेटिव ऑफ अल्केन. तो take an alkane मीथेन, उसमें एक हाइड्रोजन कम कर दो, एक हाइड्रोजन को कम कर दो और एक OH ग्रुप ऐड कर दो, तो आपको क्या मिलता है? ये क्लास ऑफ कंपाउंड आपको मिलता है जिसमें now we have OH group. Okay, so the compounds which will contain OH group, now they are called as alcohols. Okay, and the name of this particular alcohol is methanol. Methane है one carbon atom, so the alcohol is called methanol. दो कार्बन एटम जो अल्कोहल में रहेंगे, that is called as ethanol, propanol. Okay, the example we will see. Okay, so this is the definition for alcohols. Okay, now very next part we have here is the homologous series of alcohols. Now in lower standards also you have studied what is the meaning of homologous series. Okay, this series will give you the member of the same family of organic compound. Same family of organic compound, where the successive members are different by which group? CH2 group. They are differing by CH2 group. Let's start with this homologous series of alcohols. The first member methanol, second member ethanol, third member propanol. Okay, then butanol, pentanol. Okay, will be continued like this. And you can see very clearly that each successive members, they are differing by which group? CH2 group. Very important. Okay, so in your examination one compulsory question is asked on this part, that is homologous series. Okay, that homologous series part can be asked for any class of organic compounds, alkane, alkene, alkynes, alcohols, carboxylic उसी तरह से प्रिपेयर करना है। So this is all about homologous series, that is a series of alcohol family. And the last part for today is the classification of alcohols. Classification of alcohols. In that first category is monohydric alcohols. Now what is the meaning of monohydric alcohols? Mono means single. जो अल्कोहल में एक ही OH ग्रुप रहेगा, एक OH ग्रुप, जो अल्कोहल में एक OH ग्रुप रहेगा उसको क्या बोलते हैं? मोनोहाइड्रिक अल्कोहल. The same example you can write here. Okay. Second is dihydric alcohols. Di means two. जो अल्कोहल में दो OH ग्रुप रहेंगे, अल्कोहल्स containing two OH group are called dihydric alcohols. They are also called as glycols. They are also called as glycols. Okay, so example already I have given in my notes. Ethylene glycol is the example. So you have to write the name and structure also for the example of dihydric alcohol. And the last category is trihydric alcohols, which are also called as glycerols. So trihydric alcohol means alcohols which are containing three OH groups. They are called as trihydric alcohols, and they are also called as glycerols. So for all these category, if the question is asked in exam, okay, you classify, define properly, give one example, write the name of the example and structural formula. So students, today just to begin with our first video lecture, okay, we started with a simple but important concept of the chapter of organic chemistry, alcohols, okay, the definition, the homologous series for alcohols, family, and then the classification. Okay, I hope you have understood. Okay, already you have your notes with you. Okay, see, watch this video and understand the explanation properly. Any doubts you can ask through our campus care app. Okay. So next time we'll continue with the methods of preparation of alcohol and important reactions of alcohols. Okay, so you take care and